Hi everyone, you watching MV channel. Today I am going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy M3. I am having the Gradation Blue edition. So let's start the unboxing. I am taking out the device. Just look at the color. It's very nice. The display seems to be very nice. It's same like the other M series. It has a dual touch color in back. The camera, it has triple camera setup and a fingerprint. The fingerprint is placed well. The color is just amazing. So let's power it on the device, and we can keep the device in a side, and it comes with a C-type cable, normal charge adapter, So let's check the version of Android. It comes with 8.1.0, the Oreo version, not the 9, but it's okay. Then we can check the camera. It can take a picture 4:3 13 megapixel, 1:1 5 megapixel. If you need watermark, you can use it. The video full HD but not come with 4K. I will put some sample photos taken by this device, so keep watching the video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please consider subscribing.